back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you something super exciting. This is really heavy. I have 40 new shades of the PAC Matte Lipsticks. This is going to be a review and a swatch video. Unfortunately, I'm not going to swatch all of them on my lips because there are 40 different shades. If I swatch all of them on my lips would burn and hate me forever. So I'm going to swatch all of them on my arm for you so you can see which shades look like what and select the ones that you love. And I would have loved to create a lip swatch video for them, but it would just take a long time, and I wanted to get this video up so you guys could really see the lipsticks because they've just recently launched and I was so excited when I got all of them. Oh my god. Okay, so let's talk about packaging. They come in a cardboard packaging like this. Each lipstick comes in a black cardboard packaging, which I think looks really sophisticated. It says PAC Matte Lipstick, and then they have the ingredients and everything on the package. And the actual lipstick looks like this. I absolutely loved this packaging. It is magnetic, so you see, it is a really nice magnetic packaging. I love that. I love that they're magnetic. They're very easy to take with you, very easy to carry around. They won't just messily get here and there. It doesn't have the color anywhere on the lipstick, so you'll have to open up each lipstick to see what color it is, which for me is a little bit of a problem because I have 40 shades, so I literally have to open up each shade and see the color that I want. They have the shade name on the bottom, so I just memorize the shades that I love and I pick out the shades that I want to wear on that day. They are so affordable. They cost only 395 rupees each, and the fact that it has magnetic packaging in 395 rupees just goes to show how much effort they actually put into their brand. I'm honestly so impressed with PAC right now. I love their highlighters. I'm wearing the shade 07, the baked highlighter in the shade 07 right now. I love their baked highlighter. I'm wearing the shade 07 right now and you can see how much it glows. I have created an entire video on that, so if you haven't seen it, please do. I'm going to link it somewhere here. You can go and check the video out where I swatch all of the 11 different shades of highlight. I'm really impressed with their Color Lock lip liner, I think it's called, as well, and it is a really nice pigmented lip liner. I just wish they had some nude shades because it's a beautiful lip liner, but I really want nude shades. So PAC, if you're watching, please bring out some nude shades in the Color Lock lip liner because I really like the formula of those lip liners. I've grown to love them and I would really like some nude shades because I love nude lip liners. On my lips, I'm wearing the shade 09. It is a beautiful nude. As you can see, nudes are definitely my favorite. I love the nude collection in this lipstick range. They definitely have a lot of reds, a lot of pinks, a lot of oranges, peaches and nudes. There's like every shade you can imagine. I'm gonna leave a link to where you can get them in the description box below. This is what the lipstick bullet looks like. It looks like a regular nice lipstick bullet, and I wonder what has happened to bullet lipsticks since the world has shifted onto liquid lipsticks. I am still the kind of person who picks up my bullet lipstick more than I pick up my liquid lipstick, if that makes sense, because I still love the feel, and the femininity of a regular bullet lipstick. I definitely like bullet lipsticks more than I like liquid lipsticks. Don't get me wrong, I love liquid lipsticks, but I think I prefer bullet lipsticks a little bit more than I like liquid lipsticks. One big reason is that they don't give you butthole lips. I hate butthole lips. It's one of my biggest pet peeves, and liquid lipsticks always tend to do that no matter what you do. So with bullet lipsticks, that doesn't usually happen. And coming back to the formula of these, they have a creamy, soft, matte kind of finish. As you can see, they're not completely flat. They do have a little bit of shine to them. Shine is probably not the right word. They do have a little bit of a creamy feel to them. This is definitely one of my favorite matte formulas. Even the scent, I love the scent. It's so nice and bakery inspired. I love the vanilla cupcakey scent. In 395 rupees, you definitely cannot go wrong. They're not transfer proof because as you can see, it's not completely flat. They're not completely flat. As you can see, it has a little bit of a satin creamy matte kind of finish, which I think is one of my favorite matte finishes. It's very easy to wear. It's non-drying. You can wear it throughout the day. It's very easy to touch up. It is not transfer proof, so if you kiss something like this, it is gonna come onto your hand. It's not transferring too much, and if you blot it down with a tissue, it's going to turn into a flat matte finish. The pink and the red and the dark shades have a very strong staining effect. So if the lipstick wears off, you're definitely going to be left with a beautiful stain. The nude shades don't really stain that much, or even if they do, you probably won't be able to tell because it's nude. But the darker shades definitely have a very prominent staining effect. That is another reason why I couldn't swatch 40 different lipsticks in one video, because each of the dark shades, each of the pink shades and the oranges and the reds just left such a strong stain on my lips that if I put the other lipstick on top, that would kind of change the color of the lipstick. So that's why I didn't want to swatch the lipstick on my lips in this video. So I hope you guys understand. I know you guys love my lip swatch videos. I love filming them, I love editing them, I love adding the music in the background and being all dramatic and playing with my hair. That's just like my thing. I know some of you guys think it's too much and extra and dramatic, but that's just who I am. So I'm so happy I have all the shades. Thank you so much, PAC, for spoiling me. This video is not sponsored and I'm not doing this just because they send me products. I'm not obligated to create this review. They didn't ask me to film this review for you guys. This is something that I'm doing on my own because I want to share this with you guys. I love bullet lipsticks and I want the world to come back to bullet lipsticks, because please come back from liquid lipsticks. They are drying, they give you butthole lips, but I still love liquid lipsticks. Don't get me wrong, I still love liquid lipsticks. I love how beautiful they make your lips look. They make your lips look nice and full. They have amazing pigmentation and there's some pros and cons, you know. But bullet lipsticks always win my heart. I love the sleek black magnetic packaging. If you eat something, they are definitely gonna come off, but the darker shades have a staining effect, as I said, so you'll not be left with nothing on your lips. So yeah, I think that is pretty much all I wanted to say about these lipsticks. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It means the world to me and it makes me so happy. You can also click the little bell next to the subscribe button. It's shaped like a bell. It makes sure that you get notified whenever I post a new video so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I would love to have you back, so please click on it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up because that's how I know that you guys liked this video. Leave your comments down below telling me which shade is your favorite. I would absolutely love to know what shade you love because I definitely love the nudes. I made Insta stories on them as well, so if you don't follow me on my social media, please do. I recently went live on Instagram and it was so much fun talking to you guys. I've always wanted to go live on Instagram, but we had a little bit of a Q&A session, so if you saw my Instagram live, please comment down below. I would love to know if you were there, and if you aren't following me on Instagram already, please do so you don't miss out on fun stuff like this. And we can have live Instagram Q&A sessions. I post my outfits and my makeup details on Instagram and all of that fun stuff. So all of the links are going to be in the description box below. Make sure you check them out. And I'm going to move on to the swatches now.